And if you haven't already, take one foot, step it out, about shoulder width. And now the bottom, interlace the fingers, bring them up over your head, and now separate the hands and bring them back around. Deep breath in and out. In and out. And this is holding up the heavens. And now one, sink the chi. And your arms are down by your sides. Palms facing out, and you're going to look one direction and turn slightly in that direction. Come back to center, palms facing behind. Take a deep breath in and breathe out as you face your palms out and turn the other direction. Wise owl looks both ways. Breathing in and out. In and out. Back to center. One, sink the chi. We'll reach one hand up, and the other hand down. Bring them back to center, catch that moon, reach the other hand up and the other hand down. And back, catch the moon, reach one hand up and the other hand down. We're switching hands as we come back to center. So we come back to center here and then we switch the hands. And this is separating heaven and earth. Do that a couple more times. And back to center, sink the chi. Alright, now let's get started with the intervals. We're going to start with push-up, shoulder taps. So we're going to get in that push-up position, and you can be on your knees if you need to be. And we're going to up and shoulder tap. So your feet may be in a little bit of a wider position. Push up and shoulder tap. Alright, let's go. Up, shoulder tap. Keep breathing. Try not to move a lot around when you're doing the shoulder tap. Up, shoulder tap, staying as steady as possible. Breathing. Stay with me. Five more seconds. And shake that out. Now the next thing that we're going to do is YTWLs. So you're going to start on your stomach. You're going to do the Y. Then you're going to do the T, W, L. All right, let's go. Y, T, W, L. So you're starting out, you're coming to the sides, you're bending your elbows, and then down to the sides. Keep breathing. Stay with me. Keep that form. Breathe. And up. Shake that out. The next thing we're going to do is a push-up with a row. So you're going to push up and row. And then on the other side. Let's go. And the same as with the taps, try to stay as steady as possible. Keep breathing. Stay with me. And shake that out. Take a breath. So the next thing we're going to do is Cobra Wings. So we're going to be back on our stomach. We're going to start with our arms down by our sides. We're going to bring our chest and our feet up. We're going to come up and back. Let's go. Breathing in and out. In and out. In and out. Stay with me. 5 seconds. And up. Shake that out. Now we're just going to do a regular push-up. So let's get in our push-up position. You can be on your knees. And go. Don't feel bad if you have to go to your knees. Breathe in and out. In and out. In and out. Stay with me. Almost there. You got it. And shake that out. Back to shoulder tap push-ups. Let's go. Breathing in and out. In and out. Stay with me. Five seconds. And shake that out. Now, YTWLs. And go. YTWLs. Keep breathing. Y, T, and the W, and the L. Breathing in and out. In and out. Almost there. Stay with me. Push that up. All right. Take that out. Take a breath. Push up with rope. Up and row. Up and row. Keep breathing. Stay with me. In and out. 5 seconds. And shake that out. Take a breath. Cobra Wings. Get ready. And let's go. Breathing in and out. In and out. Keeping steady. Stay with me. Keep breathing. Breathe until you get through the exercise. 5 seconds. And up. Shake that out. All right. Regular push-ups. Let's do it. And again, go to your knees. Go to your knees. And go. Steady, staying controlled, breathing. In and out. In and out. 5 seconds. And shake that out. Take a breath. Breath in. And out. And we're going to scoop up with our hands. One hand will make a loose fist. The other hand will make an L. And we'll come back down. And the hand that makes the L will come out. And the hand that makes the loose fist will come to our cheek. And draw the bow. In and out. In and out. And up. Sink the chi. We'll put our hands on our knees. Look over one shoulder. Dip your head. Look over the other shoulder, back to center. Look over that same shoulder and dip your head to center. Look over the same shoulder and dip your head. Breath in and out. Up, sink the chi,